Hey guys, I'm making a long planter box. This is the 45-inch one. And I see a lot of people struggling with the legs, how to do the legs. Well, I put the first leg on laying down flat, like this, nail it in. If you take and turn this up, just set it on the floor, rest it on your bench, makes it a lot easier to line this up. And I don't worry too much about the top. Always try to get the bottom because the bottom's where it sets. Tries to, the top you can be a little shyer, can be a little over. You can take a trim saw and saw it off. But this is way easier to put it together, holding it like that. See, this top's a little long, but that's there. So I'll just take a little saw and just trim that off. I ain't worried about the top. I'd rather have the bottom straight when it sets straight. So we'll just set that aside. This is basically back to the video on the small box that I've done. So I like to use my little springy clamps to hold it down so it don't move too much. Hold your edges even. That's the big thing on this. Plenty of glue. Plenty of glue hurts nothing. So when you do that, hold the top and the sides even. And I probably way overdo it with nails, but I don't care. I'd rather have it sturdy and not fall apart. So I'll take the clamp and clamp it together so it pulls the board straight. And if you nail it correctly, it'll stay there. I'm the guy, if you buy something off of, you're not going to get shorted. There's going to be plenty of nails and plenty of glue on it. Hold the top even, the sides even. That's that. I'll leave it on for a minute until I get the other piece, because it does actually spread apart just a little bit. Place it back around here where you can see. So you get plenty of glue. Bottom even. Everything to hold the bottom even. You have trim that goes around the top, and if there is a little discrepancy, you can hide it a little bit with that trim. Now where that was spreading apart a little bit there, I give it some extra nails there to try to keep it, which it did. It didn't let it spread out too much. Stayed pretty good. This is a lot better than trying to fight it up on your bench. And boy, I got that one cockeyed. So let's take that off. How that happened. But it did. So throw that back together. One good thing about that cedar, if you can get that off, these nails pull right out. So now we'll try this again. Okay, we're back to good now. Mistake. Let's take the time and fix it. That's it. Makes it a lot easier than trying to hold it up here, do what you're doing. As far as putting the sides in, hold them. Try to get them as square as you can. Then when you go to put the other side on, you can take your square and square them up. This is just identical to the small box, only it's 45 inches. These boards are 45 inches. The legs are still 16 inches. These are still 12 3/4. You get the bottom. You'll have a strip that goes along the bottom, which holds the floor in it. I don't have a shoe. Use this just for an example, but you have a strip that gets nailed in there, such as that, and then the floor gets nailed to that piece, so it kind of all ties in, makes it strong. Okay guys, just wanted to go through that, make it a little easier if you're trying to do the long ones instead of fighting them so much. Set them down, turn them up where you can get to them. Alright, thanks, like and subscribe.